Question 4. So very straightforward logs. So we choose to log both sides. So log 5 to the power of x equals log 7. Following the multiplication, the power rule, we can bring the x to the front. So we have x log 5 equals log 7. We then choose to divide through by log 5, giving us x equaling log 7 over log 5. Using your calculator, that's 1.21. Now for part B, we've got to realise that this is close to a quadratic. Now I think the only bit which is slightly tricky is this first term, the 5 to the power of 2x. Think of that as being 5x all squared, and remember when we multiply these, when you have one like this where you've got a power outside a bracket, you multiply these two terms. So 5x all squared is the same thing as 5 to the power of 2x. Now you can see now that it very much looks like a quadratic. You've got something being squared, take away 12 lots of it, plus 35 equaling 0. So let's let y equal 5 to the power of x, just to sort of make it simpler to work to solve the quadratic. So we've got y squared minus 12y plus 35 equals 0. This factorizes to this, giving us solutions of y being 5 or y being 7. Now y is 5 to the power of x, so rather than y equaling 5, we've got 5 to the power of x equaling 5. And rather than y equaling 7, we've got 5 to the power of x equaling 7. Now this first one, x is clearly 1, because 5 to the power of 1 is 5. And for the second one, you just got to look back to what we did in part A and see that our second solution is 1.21.